All right, team, we're gonna make some protein style pizza crust. We're gonna use some ground chicken for our pizza crust. A lot of you guys know I've been on my little health journey, trying to lose a little weight, trying to get those arms back, all that good stuff. So this is the way we're gonna pack some protein into a pizza where we're not feeling the guilt of all that crust, but we'll have tons of protein with the ground chicken. So guys, stick around. We're gonna do this on my smoker, okay? We got my little pellet smoker outside, but you can do this in the oven, same time, same temp, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and get down here and start working on that pizza crust. Oh, and guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good YouTube stuff, right? Appreciate you. Let's get started on our crust. We got 2 pounds of ground chicken right in here. Got all the goodies here that we're gonna add in, right, to make our crust. Got about a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And y'all have the ingredients and prep in the video description or the caption. Got about a cup of mozz, 2 eggs. Then my guy at UncleSteveShake.com, Uncle Steve made a pizza shake. So I figured what a better dish to use this on. I'll throw the link down below or in the comments. Check it out. And that's it, healthy tablespoons worth. And get in there. I'm using some gloves. You can use a spoon, spatula, whatever. But we're gonna combine all this goodness. Make sure you get it good and incorporated. Everything nice and mixed up. You don't want one bite tasting some way and another bite tasting another way. Get all this stuff nice and incorporated. And this feels so funky. All right, nice and combined. Time to form our pizza crust. I'm gonna get a little bit of olive oil on here. Got a little parchment paper stuck on a cookie sheet. We're gonna slide this parchment paper onto the grill grate of the smoker. Just plop that on out. Going for a square pizza here because I have a lot of chicken in here. Obviously you can half the recipe if you're just going for a nice little round pizza with your chicken crust, but we're going for the full, let's call it Sicilian style. We're doing square pizza right here. Get it as even and as flattened as you can. All right, good enough. Time to get this in the smoker. We're going to do it at 375 for about 45 minutes, give or take. We want to make sure that crust is all the way done, and then we'll add all the goodies to the top of it and then get it back in, get it all melty and golden brown and lovely. As it's time to get that smoker fired up, we're going to use our Smokin pecan pellets. Links down below, save you 10%. Guys, these are the only pellets I'm using right now. Made from real pecan shells, 100% natural. Tons of smoke, tons of flavor. Give them a shot. Now let's go get that smoker fired up. Team, we're up to temp. There we go. Looking good. Shut this bad boy down. Give it all that good smoke. All right, y'all, 45 minutes is up. Get a look at that crust. It's nice and golden brown. Let's add our toppings. Just got a little pizza sauce. We're just spooning it on. Get it all spread out. If you want to make this even healthier, you could go with a little sugar-free pizza sauce. But I didn't have time to go that route. This is what I had in the pantry. So this is what we're going with. It's a little hot. It's hot in here. Got a little mozz going in. That spread out. Looking good, team, looking good. Got some turkey pepperoni. Last little piece on. Get another 10, 15 minutes. Let it get nice and melty and browned up. We'll chop into it. All right, let's take a peek. Folks, that is looking way too good. Pepperonis are curling up real nice. Let's get it off, let it cool down a little bit. We'll chop into it. All right, team, let's cut into this monstrosity. I let it cool down quite a bit. Cut me a nice little corner slice right here. All right, that's how we're looking. The bottom nice and crispy. All right, let's get a bite. What do you say? Pizza's done. We got chicken and we got pizza, protein packed, and I'll throw the macros on the screen if I could get those figured out. But wow, I'm gonna get a bite of the edge because I like that crispy edge right there. That's really good. Got all the flavors of the pizza you love, but tons of protein, right? I mean, just it's a protein bomb, right? It's great for those muscles. You know what I'm saying? All right, one last bite. As like I said already, ingredients of prep will be in the video description. All right. If you guys want to get anything I use in the videos, from the Z grills, the knives, cutting board, all that stuff, links are all down below in the video description too. If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that love a good protein packed pizza, there are two ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description, or you hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.